Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can win Style Showdown on Dress to Impress. Here are some of my quick tips to get this full set. As you can see, I already have it, and I got it in like 2 days of playing this game, so you can too. So, if you have custom makeup, this is only if you have it. Make sure you have a lot of them saved in like your saved makeup. You want like I guess two non-human faces, two like natural, and two like glam, I guess. But if you want to add more, that's totally okay. So you don't spend so like much time um making the custom makeup because Style Showdown is only 3 minutes. So let's go to the Style Showdown server. It's better if there's only 6 players playing because you'll have more chance, like you'll have like a more chance of winning. And it's also easier if you play with your friends that are willing to vote for you. Sometimes it says like sometimes people say like it's hard to win it, but in my opinion it was super easy. Like I think I just got lucky because everyone kept leaving the game. So it was like only then just like 2 players. It was like between me and this girl, and like I got more points, so then I won. So yeah, that's pretty much every tip that I have for you. That's the only thing that helped me win. Like I instantly won in like I guess like 6 times me playing it. So good luck to you guys. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Also, just want to say before I end this video, I did win one time because my friend helped me, but the rest I did on my own. So you don't really need friends to win this game. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye!